Hey, I'm Rachel at Spruce with Rachel, and I'm here with my good friend 𝗕𝗲𝗵. We are going to be sprucing her bedroom today. So 𝗕𝗲𝗵, will you kind of give a rundown of what are some of the hot spots that you're wanting to tackle today?
Sure. So I have a dresser and a shelf in the main part of the bedroom that is pretty cluttered. I've been doing some purging, but I have a lot of loose little things that I don't know where to put, and I have like a bag of socks that I'm attached to that have holes in the toes, and I haven't mended them, and so they're just kind of sitting there, and like scarves from, you know, the early 2000s when I wore one with every outfit. A lot of clothes in the closet that have been purged, and so we're space challenged in here, and I just like my clutter to be more organized clutter, and so I don't kind of know where to put things.
I mean, overall, when working with folks, it's how do we like look at our home and the space we live in, like it's a container for our stuff. And when we have items on surfaces or on the floor, that means either there's like an excess, and a lot of the times that problem stems from like we don't know what we have because things get tucked away. Like in this particular situation with 𝗕𝗲𝗵, she is fighting the constraint of the home where it's like lack of storage in closets. So she has to like buy storage solutions like dressers, shelves, that kind of thing in order to store like hanging or things in drawers. And so I look at overall, like you kind of need a certain amount of gear or accessories like to do the things that you love. So how do we make space for that? So it's just every home has a different set of priorities, and also like the shape of their space and the layout. And that's where we get to customizing it to make it easier for people. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll grab some supplies, a few bags and stuff for sorting, and we'll head back to the bedroom, and we'll use the bed as a big sorting surface. And I think what we'll start with is maybe with the socks, since that's been a big challenge. Okay, I love this room. There's so much light and space. So I'm gonna just lay out a few bags. Sometimes it's just nice to have this as almost like our little canvas for sorting, so we can just better see what we have. I'm gonna set up a couple bags alongside us, and I'll label them. So if we come across any like trash, recycle, and then donate. That's how we'll separate. And then anything that's keep, let's just kind of set alongside here so we know what needs to get organized back into a drawer, cabinet, closet. Okay. Sometimes we just need another person to keep us accountable and to get it done. Okay, so we cleared a lot of stuff. We got a couple drawers organized here. You said socks were the biggest challenge, and they were in a few different places, so we consolidated. You pared down a lot, which I'm very proud of you. We lightened up the mending bin of socks, and then we cleared this corner over here. You had like Zumba wear giveaway. You had shoes that had been sitting around. We posted it in real time to sell. And then we have a deadline for that. If they don't sell, what will go to consignment. So we got that corner cleared up. And then in the closet, you knew what could go. You had a lot of formal wear, nice like business professional wear that we're gonna donate to a couple specific places. And then we have some consignment that was spring, summer. We tucked away the fall, winter stuff. So when that's ready, got little travel things put in the drawer, purses consolidated, PT stuff. We created an electronics bin. We created like to-do action basket that's small of like photos to frame or hang up, a couple like gift cards to check balances on, that kind of thing. And then we just kind of dusted a lot of things. So that was a lot. Good job.
A lot of stuff.
Thanks again for joining us. I'm Rachel Corwin at Spruce with Rachel for Barry Ave.